Darby Allin is one of the most popular guy in All Elite Wrestling right now. He had become one of the faces of the company. He had main evented AEW Dynamite consistently, and the ratings of the Darby Allin's matches proved that he is a huge draw. Today we will see 10 reasons why Darby Allin is awesome. Number 10, being all elite. Yeah, the most important reason is he is all elite. All Elite Wrestling had given all freedom for Darby Allin to do what kind of stuffs he want. Imagine if he was in WWE, he would be booked as a mid-carder for life. Not only that, WWE would not allow him to do his stuff. AEW have given him such freedom that he could whatever do with his skateboard. And also AEW striked while Rod is hot. They did the right thing of giving him the TNT Championship. Winning the TNT Championship, he proved that he is indeed a main event caliber. While the years moving on, we could see Darby Allin winning the prestigious AEW World Championship. Number 9, charismatic enigma vibes. Every time the legendary Jim Ross mentions Darby Allin, a strange enigma, we could get vibes of someone who is familiar to him. That's the charismatic enigma Jeff Hardy. Despite of many struggles in life, Jeff Hardy proved time and time again that he could break the glass ceiling and reach the top of his game. The same goes for Darby Allin. In fact, Darby Allin had said that he was homeless before he tried wrestling. There are many fans in IWC are wishing to get this match between these two men. We wish in future it happen. Number 8, fans love him. Fans are the most important to any sports. In wrestling, fans are more important to judge whether the wrestler is getting over. In case for Darby Allin, he was the most over guy even before the pandemic started. Let's go back to AEW Dynamite 19th of February 2020. Darby Allin made his return and look at the reaction.
He's back! He's back! What a pop! It's Darby Allin! And this
Within a week, AEW going back on roads, it's sure that Darby Allin will get off the biggest pops. Number 7, finisher. Finisher is so important to a wrestling match because it's the final stop in a match. Some of the wrestlers would be looked worse by a bad finisher. When it comes to Darby Allin, he uses the coffin drop and the code red. Coffin drop is one of the craziest finisher I have ever seen, and this finisher is indeed the most dangerous finisher which could end your wrestling career. Code Red is the finisher that is quite similar to Canadian Destroyer. Many matches Darby Allin uses a crucifix, which is good for a wrestler like him. Number 6, video packages. My god, how in the world Darby Allin is able to give this kind of video packages? Darby Allin's creative in this kind of video packages are absolutely gold. Though the video packages are about 1 minute, it shows how hard he works to become a big star in this professional wrestling. Number 5, Sting's presence. The moment when the icon Sting arrived in All Elite Wrestling, we all know why he is here. Yes, of course he is in All Elite Wrestling to give Darby Allin a rub and make him even more big star. Personally, I think Sting's work for Darby Allin had been underappreciated in the wrestling industry. AEW booked both Sting and Darby Allin very good so far. It would be great if we get Darby vs Sting one point in future, and imagine it also will be Sting's retirement match, and that will be a great way to end his career. Number 4, Bancroft matches. Darby Allin is known for his Bancroft matches from Cody Rhodes, Sammy Guevara, Jon Moxley, Matt Hardy, Brian Cage and to Miro. Darby Allin put some outstanding bangers over 2 years. His TNT Championship reign was one of the most important reign in company's history. Even his street fight with Sting against Team Taz was a great cinematic match. Recently his tag match at Double or Nothing was a classic example of how good Darby is. Number 3, Edge. The great thing about Darby Allin is his age. Darby Allin is just 28 years old. Definitely his prime is well ahead. Imagine Darby Allin in his prime. My god, he could tear the roof. Yep, Darby Allin is taking too many bumps that will indeed affect him over the years, but he could still go until 45. Number 2. Character. Character of Darby Allin is so similar to Sting. Very mysterious, take down enemies by single-handedly and take championships. The other important things, we have seen only the babyface character of Darby Allin. If Darby Allin turns heel, he would indeed turn more darker and become one of the most strange heel in this business. The number 1. Fearless. Everyone have fear, but when it comes to Darby Allin, he is such a crazy man. Not only in a wrestling ring, outside of wrestling, he is such a wild man. He can even jump off a crazy building. Surely after 2 decades, Darby Allin would be a man that will never be forgotten by anyone. Before leaving, I going to read this tweet by my fans. According to Tejas Mishra, Darby has charismatic, knows what can do and what he can't do, never tries to oversell or undersell stuffs inside the ring, making sure he keeps it due. Promos are good, highly motivated to do well. Abhishek says he has the hit factor, and AK says cause he is a strange enigma. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like, please subscribe to my channel for more wrestling videos. Stay safe. Adios. Before leaving, most of the fans watching my videos are not subscribed. If you do like, please subscribe to my channel and help me to reach 150 subs.